Hello everybody, welcome to a DCME tutorial. Today we're going to show you what a task template is and how this relates to what the carers see. This is a commonly asked question from a lot of our clients. So let me show you what a task template is. So if we select a service user and we'll go to Douglas House, who's a single-handed client. Now, what a task template is a list of the tasks that the carers will see within their app that they may be required to complete at the appointment. This is meant to complement the care plan. You know, the care plan will be more comprehensive. However, the task will be a quick tick list of, you know, the main tasks that you would do at that appointment. So if we say, for example, we'll do a lunch appointment as a demo. You know, we will do prepare and serve food with fluids. Okay. Assist with medication. And we can say wash up and tidy. Okay, so these will be the tasks we'll add for this particular lunch appointment, and then we'll show you how the carers see it within the app. We've now added the appointment to the carers app, and as you can see, we can click on Douglas House's appointments. This is his lunch appointment. As you see, the tasks now that we've created as the task template will appear every time a carer has been assigned the lunch appointment. Now we can either click the tasks that we've completed, or we can leave them unchecked if we haven't done them, as an example. Okay, so this is what a task template is. It's a guide to tell the carers what tasks they would be needed to complete, would be required to complete at the appointment. Not all tasks might not necessarily be completed. For example, you might have a Friday lunch where you change the bedding. Now you can add that as a regular task, or you can add a new task template, which is Friday lunch task template. So that's it really in terms of what the task templates are. Hopefully that will, you know, allow you guys to understand a little bit more clearly what they are and how they actually work. And it should, you know, allow you to provide that information for your carers more simpler moving forward, so you know, reduce the potential of missing any tasks at appointments. Please look forward to some future tutorials which will be coming shortly. DCME, domiciliary care made easier.